How to clean children's bath toys. Bath toys can be a fun way to encourage your little ones to get into the tub and keep them occupied during bath time. Your children may also chew on their bath toys while they are teething, so it is essential to keep these toys clean. Although your child will likely be playing and chewing on them in water, this does not mean they shouldn't be washed and cleaned on a consistent basis. In fact, the humidity and moisture of the water is an ideal breeding ground for bacteria and mold, so it's a good idea to clean bath toys at least once a week. Method 1: Cleaning the toys with vinegar. 1. Consider the benefits of vinegar. Vinegar is a very effective cleaner and is a harmless natural cleaner. It should be your first choice for cleaning and preventing any unwanted additives and other dirt or bacteria on your child's toys. 2. Mix the vinegar solution. Combine 2 parts warm water and 1 part white vinegar. The acid in the vinegar will naturally dissolve most of the dirt, so you do not need to use soap. Apple cider vinegar is also very effective at cleaning bath toys. However, white alcoholic vinegar is the best choice because it is colorless and is less likely to leave any unwanted residue. 3. Remove any excess water inside the toy. Bath toys usually have a hole on the bottom of the toy that makes a sound when they are squeezed, but this hole can also allow water to get into the inside of the toys. If water sits inside the toy, it can develop bacteria and promote the growth of mold. So always squeeze out any excess water and let the toys dry thoroughly. 4. Soak the toys in the vinegar solution. Let the toys soak for at least 10-15 minutes. Make sure the solution also gets into the inside of the toy, where dirt can accumulate. 5. Scrub the toy with the vinegar using a small brush. Scrub in all directions and on the entire surface of the toy using a small brush or toothbrush. If there are narrow areas or small openings on the toy, scrub these surfaces using the tip of the brush. For example, to clean the inside of a rubber duck's beak, put the brush inside the beak and scrub the surface in a circular motion. 6. Rinse the toys in water and let them dry. Use clean water to rinse the toys and allow them to dry completely in the sun or on a dry towel before allowing your child to use them. Method 2: Using the dishwasher. 1. Check that the toys can be safely washed in the dishwasher. The dishwasher runs at high temperatures in order to destroy any bacteria, so always check the label on the toys to make sure it is dishwasher safe before using this method. 2. Squeeze out the excess water inside the toys and let them dry out. It's important to dry the toys as much as possible before you put them in the dishwasher to help reduce the moisture on and in the toys. 3. Place the toys on the dishwasher rack. Put them in a lingerie bag or in a plastic basket if they are smaller, on the top shelf of the machine. 4. Add the dishwasher soap or cleaning agent of choice. You can use regular detergent, a natural solution, or dishwasher capsules. For a natural cleaning agent, use a solution of 1 part white vinegar and 3 parts warm water. 5. Choose the setting and turn on the machine. Use the warming cycle setting to ensure the toys come out dry. Some machines have an extra cycle with a higher temperature for sterilization. Be careful with this option as bath toys made of plastic or rubber can melt or be damaged by high temperatures. 6. Remove the toys once the cycle has finished and dry them. Put the toys on a dry towel to air dry completely before putting them back in the tub or allowing your child to use them. Method 3: Cleaning the toys with chlorine bleach. 1. Check your child's toys for mold. If there are visible traces of mold, chlorine bleach is one way you can remove the mold and sanitize the toys. Always pay strict attention to the amount of bleach in the cleaning solution you use, as bleach can be harmful to the health of your children if it is ingested. Due to health risks, this method should only be used sparingly, and only if your child's toys are very moldy. Use Environmental Protection Agency registered bleach products, as the concentration of chemicals in bleach has recently risen. 2. Make the cleaning solution. Combine 1 tablespoon of chlorine bleach with 1 gallon, 3.8 L of water. Diluting the bleach lessens its harmful effects. 3. Soak the toys in the solution. You can spray the toys with the solution or place the toys in a tub of the solution. Press the toys while they are soaking so the solution is sucked through any holes and gets inside the toys. Allow the solution to remain on the toys for 2 minutes. For a more thorough clean, you can soak the bath toys in a solution of 1-2 cup bleach and 1 gallon, 3.8 L, of water for 15 minutes. 4. Thoroughly rinse the toys with clean water. Squeeze and rinse the toys several times. Be sure to also rinse the inside of the toys by pouring clean water into the holes and squeezing the toys. While you cannot see bleach, you can smell it. So rinse the toys until you can no longer smell bleach on them. If you do not rinse the toys well, your child can swallow any bleach left on or inside the toy. Bleach poses numerous health risks and issues, especially for young children, and is highly corrosive to the skin, eyes, and lungs. So always make sure you rinse away all bleach from the toys. 5. Allow the toys to dry completely. You can air dry them on a dry towel or in the sun. Always check that the toys are completely dried before allowing your child to play with them. Method 4. Properly storing the toys. 1. Squeeze and rinse the bath toys after every use. Removing any excess water from the toys on a consistent basis will cut down on the amount of bacteria and dirt that remains on the toys. 2. Thoroughly dry the toys after every use. Place the toys on a dry towel or in the sun to ensure they get good ventilation and dry out completely, as the moist environment creates an ideal breeding ground for mold and bacteria. 3. Store the dry toys in a breathable box. Boxes for bath toys should be placed outside the bathroom, where there is natural light and good ventilation. A box made with perforated material or mesh is ideal, as it allows for good air circulation. 4. Consider sealing up the holes on the bath toys. As the interior of the toys is the hardest area to clean and to dry, it may be a good idea to seal or close up these holes. You can do this using super glue or a glue gun. If you use a glue gun to seal the holes, be sure not to leave it in the vicinity of children to prevent the risk of burns. If the toy is wet before you seal it and you do not dry it out, this can lead to the development of bacteria and mold inside the sealed toy. If the toy then breaks or the glue does not stick, your child may be exposed to the infected water. So before you seal the holes, be sure to disinfect and thoroughly dry the toys. Check the sealed holes on the toys periodically to make sure they are glued well, as any loose glue can become a choking hazard. Tips. Proper storage will help prevent the occurrence of mold and bacteria, so always be proactive about taking care of your children's bath toys.